If you've started a YouTube channel, you want to make sure you verify your account so you can even get more out of your channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps and you'll see how easy it is to get your channel verified. Okay, so we're inside the YouTube studio and this is where you're going to go to verify your account. Now this isn't the same as getting the blue check mark. To do that, you've got to have at least 100,000 subscribers or more. I'm not close to that yet, but if you want to subscribe and help me, I love you for it. But you go down here to settings and you want to click settings and you want to go to channel and you want to go to feature eligibility. Now, when you start your channel, standard features will automatically be turned on, and that's things like video uploads, playlist creation, and things like that. But when you verify your channel, then you get more features like you can do videos longer than 15 minutes. You can do custom thumbnails. You can live stream, and this is even huge, you can appeal content idea claims because eventually it's going to happen and that way it will help you. So mine's already enabled, but I'm going to show you on another just kind of a test channel I have exactly how to walk through those steps. So let's jump over to that channel. Okay, so we're on this channel I have that I don't really do anything with. Obviously there's nothing there. So we're going to go to settings and you're still going to go to channel and you're going to go to feature eligibility. Now, unlike my main channel where it's already turned on, you'll notice here it says that I've got the default featured enabled, but I don't have these enabled at all, but I'm eligible. And here's the key. You have to make sure all of these are enabled and then you verify with your phone number. And they tell you right there, to verify your channel, you'll be asked to enter a phone number. We'll send a verification code by text or even voice call to that number. And they do this to just verify you are who you are and you have access to this channel. So it's actually pretty cool. All you have to do is you click this and it'll take you to this step. Now you can also get here by going to youtube.com/verify and it'll take you to the same screen. And you choose which one you want. I usually just text me the verification code. You select your country, you put your phone number in, and then you hit get code, and then you'll get a text, and once you verify that text, then you're gonna be enabled. And let me show you exactly what that will look like. Okay, so I've hopped back over to my main channel, and you notice again, I have this enabled, right? And it says the phone number has been verified. So if you go to that youtube.com/verify, it will tell you that your phone number has been verified and you are good to go. So now that you're verified, you'll be able to take advantage of a lot more that YouTube offers you for your channel. So if you have any questions, let me know below and check out these videos, especially if you want to do more with video. Keep using your gifts. The world needs you. See you next time.